Do you feel like you're constantly overpacking for any and every trip you go on, no matter where you go, when you go, why you go? Hello, my name is Storytime with Storytime, and I am in the same boat. I am a habitual overpacker. I'm not proud of it. I don't like it, but it is true. So today, let me tell you what we're doing. I am going to be using the Indyx app to try and pack for my trip I have coming up to see if it helps me at all, because you can go in there and create a packing list, and you can even create outfits with the clothing that you put on that packing list, and it totals up the items, and you can add any accessories, shoes. I have already digitalized my entire closet with the Indyx app, and girl, it took such a long time, like hours and hours, but I will say that it is so worth it. Like, I have different outfits. I know every single thing that I own in my wardrobe because it's already here on my phone. Like, it's so nice. So first, I'm going to start off by creating a packing list. I'm going to name it, the dates, I'm just adding whatever because I don't know, I feel like, why does it need to know where I'm going, when I'm going? The time zone is very interesting, but you know what, girl, we're just going along with it. This is the first time that I've ever used the packing for this. I've used this app to make my like summer lookbook or just like general outfit ideas, but this is different, so I'm excited to see how well it actually works, or how well it doesn't. Hopefully it works, because girl, I need all the help that I can get. Truly, I do. So I'm just going to go in and add anything that I want to pack or that I think I want to pack. But honestly, I usually just review what I packed and then take some of it off and then add some, just because I feel like I could never like get it right. But thankfully I'm just visiting family this time, so the stakes are pretty low, which is also why I'm trying it on this, because like worst come to worst, like it's not like a big trip that I'm going on that I need like 15 cute outfits for, blah blah blah, whatever. So I can add like sunglasses, jewelry, my swimwear, my tops, bottoms, shoes, anything, purses, bags, all of that. So it's all right here. Like I said, it took so long to do it, but it was seriously, it was so worth it, and I love it so much. Here's the list that I have added up together. If I'm being honest with you, this is making it a lot easier already because I can see everything. I'm so serious. Like when I pack, I usually just throw stuff in, and then when I get to wherever I'm going, I'm like, oh god, like this doesn't even match with this, and then this top has no bottom to go with, but the top is cute, but then I have this bottom that has no top to go with it, and then like nothing is right, and then I'm like freaking out because I don't feel good in what I brought. It's just a constant cycle that I'm trying to cut it off. I'm just gonna start throwing my clothes in, and we'll see how it goes from there. her. She's looking so good. I love packing because everything is so pink. So cute. I have all of my clothes packed, but I was like, man, like I need to pack other things too. I already put my toiletries in there, but I need my little makeup bag. Not like a lot of makeup, but it's something I don't want to forget. The app is for clothes and all of that, but since I'm using it for packing, I'm like, oh, it would be really nice to be able to put my other things that I pack on there, like this makeup bag. So I'm like, oh my god, like I'm just gonna take a picture of my makeup bag, and then that way when I'm packing, I'll have it there and I just won't forget it. It's also incredibly easy to add something. In fact, I added 2 things in the midst of packing because I realized that I never added it to my inventory list. I'll just show you how to add something. It's so easy. Then I take a picture. Okay, and then I add it. Sanrio. I'm putting this as a briefcase because it has what I need in it. Okay, and then I upload it, and then I wait for it to take off the background and all of that. And then it's there. So then look, I can go back to my collections, my packing, add an item, this. So then I for sure won't forget my makeup bag because I feel like it's just something that I don't think about. So that's nice. You know, go drop this in before I forget. Also, before I forget, I have Mother's Day and birthday gifts for my mom, so I'm gonna put that in there as well. Okay, if I'm being honest with you, I kind of loved using the Indyx app for packing. I still need to add like some perfume or a little bit of this, a little bit of that. But it genuinely makes it so much easier to see everything that I want. Like I already took out some things because I'm like, girl, why do I need a pink flower bracelet? Like I'm not going to wear that. And it keeps me on track because I am an overpacker. So this is the easiest way to not overpack. You have to like see it all. And then if you want to make outfits, you can make outfits, which is awesome because I know when I'm on vacation and I'm like, oh my god, like what do I wear, blah blah blah, I can just open the app and see what I'm working with, make outfits in the app, so I'm not spending an hour trying stuff on and then making everyone late, even though like that's never happened before, like never, not to me at least. Like I still have to like pack my medicine and my electronics, but to have all of that done and like out of my mind, it's so easy. I feel like I did not overpack, which is amazing. Honestly, I would really recommend this. I think it's a foolproof way how to not overpack. Girl, I don't know, but I will say putting all of my clothes in the Indyx app took like 6+ hours, but I have to say that it's so worth it. Like I'm just so glad I did it. It was kind of brutal doing it, but it was really worth it. So I don't know, maybe test it out. I don't know. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time for whatever we get up to. Yeah. Okay, bye.